Get a beautiful, visible, spotless skin brightening/glowing without buying expensive products. For a radiant appearance, in addition to drinking cleansing infusions, green tea, sage, to cleanse the body and prevent aging, there are natural solutions to rehabilitate the skin and make it shine. Go for natural facial tonics. Chamomile. Chamomile manages to give a more relaxed look, ideal for tired skin. Boil it and put it in the fridge to cool, and then apply it on your face as if it were a facial toner. Leave it on and rinse with water. Horsetail. Prepare an infusion of horsetail and apply it with a cotton pad, letting the skin absorb it well. The effects of this plant are shown especially in the production of collagen and elastin fibers that give smoothness and elasticity to the skin. Licorice. It is a good ally to eliminate the spots that appear on the skin. Try washing your face every night with licorice extract soap. Let it act for 2 minutes and rinse with cold water. The results are amazing. Yogurt. Once a week, apply a homemade mask with natural yogurt, 1 tablespoon, honey, 1 teaspoon, brewer's yeast, 1 teaspoon, and lemon, 10 to 12 drops of juice. Mix the ingredients well in a bowl and spread the mask all over the face, except the area around the eyes, neck and décolleté. Leave it on the skin for 20 minutes and remove with lukewarm water. Orange. Vitamin C also helps maintain a luminous face, as well as being a great antioxidant. You can apply it directly to your face by creating your own mask, mixing milk, honey and orange juice. If you have very dry skin, don't overuse this paste. If you like this video and you love natural remedies, subscribe to my channel.